So after waxing, what's one of the worst things that can happen? Hyperpigmentation. So today, I'm going to show you how to fix it and beat it fast, so that you can get back to smooth, silky skin without any extra color changes or redness from previous waxing sessions. This is something I do on myself as well. And let me just tell you, this works amazing. But before we jump into it, if you want to learn more about holistic health and wellness tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button, so you never miss an awesome video. Let's get started. The first step to beating hyperpigmentation from waxing is to identify that it's even happening. We need to look out for dark spots or patches of skin that are a different color than the surrounding skin. These spots usually appear where the wax was applied and can be caused by a reaction to the hot wax, the strip or the hard wax being pulled off too quickly, or even some of the ingredients in the wax itself. Now this is really important because if you continue to wax over the top of the already discolored skin, you're gonna end up making the problem worse. So take a break and allow your skin some time to recover before continuing. Now once you've identified the areas that need attention, it's time to cleanse them gently twice a day with a mild facial cleanser. Be gentle with your skin, but make sure to thoroughly clean the area, because this will help to remove any leftover wax and dead skin cells. It'll also help to reduce inflammation and get your skin ready to absorb the brightening products that we're going to apply next. Another thing you can do is use a mild exfoliant to remove any dead skin cells that may be contributing to the appearance of hyperpigmentation. But here's the key: don't overdo it. You don't want to cause any damage to your skin. Just a couple times a week should be fine. And when you're done, rinse the area thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat it dry. This is going to prepare your skin to better absorb the products that you're going to apply next. And speaking of products, it's time to apply a targeted brightening serum to the affected areas. Now I recommend one that contains high doses of antioxidants, especially vitamin C, because it's super effective at reducing the appearance of hyperpigmentation. Plus, it helps to brighten and even out your skin tone. The best part is, it works fast. Just a few drops of this serum morning and night can work wonders. Make sure to apply it directly to the affected areas and massage it in gently until it has absorbed. This is a game changer for treating hyperpigmentation, and while this serum is working its magic, don't forget to protect your skin from further darkening with sunscreen. Yes, sunscreen. Even if it's cloudy outside, harmful UV rays can still penetrate the clouds and reach your skin. So apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to the affected areas every day. Reapply it every 2 hours if you're outside for a long period of time. This is gonna help to prevent any further darkening of the skin. And it's also gonna help to fade the existing hyperpigmentation faster. If you find this helpful so far, give the video a thumbs up. It will really help my channel. And let's keep going. The next step is to soothe the affected area with a cooling agent like aloe vera or calendula. Not only does this feel great on irritated skin, but it also helps to reduce inflammation and redness. And guess what? It speeds up the healing process. Apply it directly to the affected area and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. You can do this once or twice a day, depending on how irritated your skin is. So grab yourself an aloe vera plant and cut open a leaf and apply it directly to your skin. Or you can find soothing gels or creams that contain calendula. They work just as well. Another thing to avoid during this healing process is anything that is gonna dry out your skin or cause irritation. That means no harsh skincare products, no fragrances, no alcohol, and definitely no picking or scratching the affected area. I know it can be tempting, but trust me, it'll only make things worse. Instead, focus on keeping your skin calm and happy by using gentle hydrating products and soothing agents. Proper hydration is key when it comes to healing hyperpigmentation from waxing. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin healthy and looking its best. Dehydrated skin can make hyperpigmentation look worse, so it's important to stay hydrated. So aim for at least 8 cups of water per day, and you can infuse it with some lemon or cucumber for flavor. You can also try herbal teas, like chamomile or peppermint, which have calming properties that can help with skin irritation. Natural oils like rosehip or jojoba can work wonders on hyperpigmentation. These oils are rich in antioxidants and fatty acids that help to repair damaged skin and fade dark spots. Apply a few drops of the oil to the affected area and massage it in gently. Do this once or twice a day, depending on how severe your hyperpigmentation is, and you should start to see results in a few weeks. I love rosehip oil because it's super versatile. You can use it on your face and body, and it's non-sticky so it absorbs quickly. Plus it has a ton of antioxidants and fatty acids that help to repair damaged skin and fade I can't emphasize enough how important consistency is when it comes to treating hyperpigmentation. Be patient and stick to your skincare routine for at least 4 to 6 weeks to see results. Everyone's skin is different, and it takes time for hyperpigmentation to fade. Don't give up. Keep at it, and you will see results. So let's say you've tried everything on this list and your pigmentation is still not fading. It's time to call in the big guns, the dermatologist. They can perform in-office procedures like chemical peels or laser treatments to help fade the hyperpigmentation. Plus, they might prescribe you a stronger prescription like hydroquinone if needed. And there you have it, my 3-step fix to beat hyperpigmentation from waxing. Remember, cleanse, treat, and moisturize. It's a simple routine that can make a world of difference in your skin. Hyperpigmentation doesn't stand a chance against these tips. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced hyperpigmentation from waxing? What did you do to treat it? Leave a comment below, and let's chat. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I've got lots more videos coming your way with more tips and tricks to keep you looking and feeling your best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.